So here we are, May 21st, 6:30, Friday evening, 2010, and just got home from work. And yesterday when we got home, Buck and Megan surprised Marge and I with our anniversary present, which is this. Look at that. Look at that. An opener for the big honkin' garage door. And it's just the coolest thing you ever seen, in that here's a keypad here, and then there's there's a light that comes on up there, and the controls for it are so interesting. Some of them are right here, but there's control there, but the motor, I have yet to crawl up there. This probably won't work. But there's what the motor looks like, way up there. And there's no lousy videoing, but there's no bracket like you normally see on a garage door. So I'm going to walk up there right now. Up the stairs here in the back. Keep all this on tape this way. All of our mess. We'll go down here. Over here. And there is the unit. And that is a Lift Master. So it just drives right on the wheel on the side. That's so cool. And then the power comes along here, this railing, and over here to this outlet that we had up here before. So it couldn't have worked out much better. So that's a Lift Master, Chamberlain Lift Master Elite Series. So sorry about the glare from the light. And we'll push the button. Watch her go down. That's pretty slick.